everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. We recently started the car earlier and we have a little check engine light on the dash. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you need a new TPMS sensor. So this is the tire pressure monitoring system, and I don't have the correct tools to actually remove the tire or replace the TPMS sensor. So I take it up to our local tire shop and they handle it. But let's go ahead and I'll show you what they do when you have a bad TPMS. Once you hit the select button, this shows up and TPMS error. So it doesn't show any tire pressure. So you don't know which one is bad and needs replacing. The tire shops have a scanner that they can scan each sensor to figure out which one is bad. Is it okay if I record checking the sensor real quick?
Yeah. So far that one was good, this one's dead.
Gotcha.
It's got the X. That one's good. That one's good. So it looks like it's just the right front one that's dead.
I think they're done. The cards are ready over there. Let's go grab the keys. All right, so we just got our tires rotated as well and balanced in rotation. And we had them fix one of the TPMS sensors. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see if our tire pressure light is turned on. So it's still blinking. It probably just takes some time for it to register. All right, we'll start driving and then we'll see if the light starts to register. See how long it takes for it to register. There. So it took 3 minutes for it to register as we're driving normal speed 45-ish right now. So our light stayed off and now we know what tire pressure is in each tire. So I'm going to readjust it so it's around 38 psi on each tire. But we're good to go. No more check engine lights, no more errors on the dash. We leave the cruise control button pressed right here. So then we set our cruise control a lot because we drive a lot of highway miles. But all right, well, let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you can get your TPMS sensor fixed as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me grow this channel so I can do more videos like this. See you guys later.